Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Kashmir. This tutorial video is about how to use a POS billing system. The first thing you need to do is to write the URL of kashmiranywhere.com/POS. Then you need to fill the credentials that you have already got for your POS account. I've already written my credentials over here, and then I need to sign in. After signing in, I need to mention the amount I already have in my cash drawer. I have zero amount in my cash drawer right now. And these are the products that are already uploaded in my database. And this is my shopping cart. I'm adding first product, and this is the total price of that product, and I'm adding second product, and this is the estimated cost of that product. I can even add products using a barcode scanner or the barcode number. For example, if I want to give a discount to my customer, the type of discount is fixed, and I'm giving a discount of approximately 954.29 rupees, and it has already applied in my cart, and I'm getting the discounted price. And if I want to give discount on the basis of percentage, 10% of my total cost, it will be directly applied, and I will get an estimated total after discount. Another option I can explore is to empty my cart. I have already 2 items in my cart right now, and if I click on empty cart, it will empty my cart. I will add another product, and the next thing I need to do is to add a customer. I will fill in the first name. I filled example 1 as my first name and example 1 as my last name. Anyway, write example 2 as my last name. Then I need to mention my email ID, my phone number, my street address, and my city. I will select my country and the postal code of my city. And then I need to select my state. And once I'm done, I need to click on continue. So if I want to give a discount coupon to my customer, I can even apply for that. If I want to type in a custom message, I can do that as well. And then we need to select the payment method. If I have cash, I will select cash. If I want to split my payment, cash or credit cards. For instance, I will go with the cash option. Then I need to write the total amount that the customer has to pay. And once I'm done with it, I need to place my order. Order successfully placed, and I will get the receipt of that order. And I need to print that invoice. And moving on to the next order, I need to click on next order. I can select another order. I'm adding 2 products, 2 similar products, and I don't need to enter the details of a customer again. I've already mentioned the customer in my database. I need to select my customer. Then I need to fill the amount, and my order has been successfully placed. The best thing about POS billing system from Kashmir is that it can work in offline as well as the online mode, and it's directly connected to the online website of Kashmir Anywhere. And there are various default categories that we can explore. And we can go to the order history to check the orders we have already placed. And we can also check the cash drawer. We can also check if our orders are on hold or not. Then I can log out easily from my POS billing system. Thank you.